well, Carson needed a new dresser, so we found this one on Amazon for him. And looks like it's going to be pretty easy to put together. It's supposed to be collapsible drawers in it, so we'll see how it goes.
Hey y'all, so what you are seeing here is Colton putting together Carson's new dresser. So we got Carson and Briley a new dresser for their rooms. Now originally we had Briley and Addie in the same room and Carson had his own room, but we decided for Briley to have her own room. She's been wanting her own room, and you know, we only have a 3-bedroom house, so someone has to share a room. But Briley is almost 8 and she really needed her own space. She's getting older and she just needs to have her own space. So we switched around and we put Carson in here with Addie. And so Carson really needed a new dresser because his old one was toe up. His old one was toe up. It was falling apart. The bottom of where you put the clothes in of the drawers, when you pull out, the bottom piece was falling down. So it's not like the clothes were heavy or anything. It was just falling apart. So we ended up getting him a new one. And then Briley also needed a new one for her room. So we just bought them similar dressers, and we got them to where they wouldn't hurt themselves if it fell on them. But Colton made sure that he screwed them into the wall so they wouldn't fall down. And they're just the perfect size, and they don't take too much space. So these are their new dressers. They love them. We love them. And I will try and put a link down below for them if y'all decide to get them or are interested or anything like that. So, and you will see the kids be in this video. Now, we did not make them be in this video. They just happen to be in it because, I mean, they're kids. They want to go where mommy and daddy are all the time. And Briley and Carson really wanted to help out really bad. So you see Carson holding the instructions and Briley's just helping Colton do most of the stuff. So they just really wanted to be in the video and really wanted to help daddy out and me. So you will see them in this video. And as you can see, this is the old dresser Carson has, and it doesn't have a bottom because it fell out. So this is his old dresser.
All right, y'all, so now we're about to take all of his clothes and stuff off his old dresser and get ready to put it in the new dresser. Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Okay, so we are taking his clothes out of the old dresser and just putting it all on his bed so that way I can go through it and look through what doesn't fit him, you know, what's too small, what has stains, you know, what he doesn't like to wear. So we're just putting all on his bed so that I can go through it and organize it for his new dresser. Carson's clothes from his old dresser, so I'm going to go through it and organize it and try and fit it in his little new dresser. Addie. Okay, so now it's time to organize and get rid of things, and you can see me asking Carson, come here, let me see if this fits you. Do you like this or not? So we can get rid of it. And so you're just seeing me doing that here, and it just looks really nice after it's all done, nice and organized, and I am pleased with it. And now I'm just trying to decorate on top. I don't know what to put on here. I'm just doing my best, and I'm just rearranging and just trying to see what looks good on top of his dresser. So here is Carson's new dresser. So I fit all of his clothes in here, and I just decorated the top with stuff that he had on his old dresser. So he just has his lamp, picture of me and him, and just some photos and his letter. But yeah, he has his, and this shorts. I got rid of a ton of shorts he did not fit into, so we'll be definitely getting him some more shorts for the summertime. And then here is his pajamas. Here are his underwear, but I'm not going to show that. And here are his socks. And then down here are his pull-ups. And then in this one is all of his pants. Blue jeans, khakis, comfortable pants. All that is down here at the bottom. And then in this one are all of his like t-shirts and all that in there. So that is everything that fits in his little dresser right here. He likes it. We love it for him, and it looks like real wood. You know, I mean, this is wood here at the top, but like these bins look like it looks real. But yeah, so that's his little dresser. It came out nice and cute and perfect for him. So yeah. Here is everything that I got rid of. Shorts, pants, pajamas, shirts, everything is in this old bin that he had. Everything is in there and it's overflowing. So I'm going to go try and clean this out and see what could fit my nephew. And I'll let them look through it. But yeah, that's everything that I cleaned out.
Okay, Briley, what did you want to say?
I lost my tooth at school when I was eating ice cream at lunch.
You did? Which tooth was it? Oh, the tooth fairy gonna come see you? You hope so, huh?
$100.
Woo! Y'all hear that? $100? Yeah, that'd be nice from the tooth fairy, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Addison. Hi, Carson. All right, y'all. We're about to put Briley's new dresser up now. And let's get to it.
Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that little clip right there. I had no idea Colton was going to record me, but you know, hey, that's real life. I was eating lunch on the couch. So yeah, Briley lost her tooth. This is her second time losing her tooth at school. And this time, first time she was eating an apple, and this time she was eating some ice cream. So yeah, she just keeps losing her teeth at school. But as you can see, Briley is wanting to help again to put her dresser together. This was another day, and so we just Colton's putting the dresser together for her, and she just really wants to help. And Carson decides he wants to join in too. And Colton is doing the same thing he did with Carson's dresser. He's just trying to screw it into the wall so it doesn't fall or move around or anything like that when she's trying to get her clothes out. So he's just trying to screw it into the wall.
Here's the finished product of Briley's. We got her one like Carson's. It's the collapsible drawers. You excited, Briley?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
We just haven't put her clothes on it or organized it. We just got done, but see, as you can tell, it's these little collapsible deals. You just pull this out if you want them to collapse. And we think they're pretty neat.
Okay, it is the next day, and so I'm just trying to organize and just trying to fit everything into Briley's dresser now and declutter whatever she doesn't like to wear or what doesn't fit. So now I'm just trying to fit everything into Briley's new dresser. dresser's all done. This is just what I have on top for right now. Baby picture of her and her fairy toy. And when I was putting the clothes in here, I was just like, where's all of her clothes? I know I decluttered some of them before Christmas and I got rid of a lot, but I was like, where's her clothes? And I forgot they're in the washing machine. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go over here. So this is her pajamas, and then these will be her socks and underwear. And then in here I have her pants. As you can see, there's only a few because the rest are in the washing machine. And her like t-shirts and play shirts. And I think, okay, yeah, her shorts are gonna go in here. And then these two are empty. I'm not sure what to put in these. I'm thinking maybe like swimsuits because summer is about to be here. And then I'm not sure. I know swimsuits in one. I'm not sure what to put in the other one. But yeah, this is her dresser. And she likes it. We like it for her. And this is just what it looks like. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of us putting together the new dressers and decluttering and organizing everything. Thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one.